What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create a Child WordPress theme for your Block WordPress theme in WordPress for free in a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics, not just international sites favor. So let's get this started. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over appearance and go to themes. Make sure that you are using a Block WordPress theme, okay? So 2024 is a Block WordPress theme. So after this, go to the left sidebar of menus once again, click on plugins, click on add new plugin submenu, and into the upper right corner of your screen, next to keyword, you're going to be able to find a field called search plugins. Click on it and type create block theme. And the guide you are looking for, it's this plugin right here, create block theme, a WordPress plugin to create block themes by wordpress.org. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. Click into the activate button once again, and the plugin gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. And now, if you hover your mouse over the appearance menu, you're gonna be able to see a new submenu. Okay, so we have themes, editor, and create block theme. Click on it. Now we have export, create child, clone, overwrite, create blank theme. We have a couple of options. The option that we are looking for is this one, create child of 2024. The theme name, you need to enter the theme name. So you can enter the theme description, the theme author URL, the author URL. So you need to enter the information about the theme. Theme child for tutorial. Theme URL. So gonna be, for example, this URL right here. Author URL can be this URL right here, and the author can be by Visual Modo. We can upload a screenshot of the theme, we can include image credits, recommended plugins in the case that you want, and subject, max of 3 tags, features, you can enter features, and custom tags in the case that you want. It's basically the most important part right here is the title, okay? But you can enter the options if you need. Now click on generate. Can you see a file has been downloaded on my computer? Now I'm gonna need to install this Child WordPress theme, okay? So go to appearance, go to the submenu themes from the left sidebar of menus on WordPress, click on add new theme, click on upload theme, choose file. It's gonna open your computer, okay? So click into the zip file that you have downloaded. You're gonna have your Child theme installed and working for you, okay? And if you see the file that you just have downloaded, okay, so go to your computer, you're gonna be able to you're gonna open the file and you're gonna be able to see these 3 files, readme, style and theme. If you open this file right here, you can be able to customize it in the way that you want, like typography, colors, and any other things like this, okay? Simple, easy, and very effective. After doing your customization, you can re-upload the Child theme, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build your site for free. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best WordPress theme you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Or Sites.gallery, that is our CSS gallery, a place where you can submit your blog, your app, your landing page, your game design to be promoted. And Finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, themes, and many more things to create the site of our dreams. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!